Today on Designing Spaces, how to get a better night's sleep, tools to help make yard care a breeze, tips from the home care experts at Frontdoor, and creating a cleaner, healthier environment for kids. Time to design.
We all know that struggle, chasing that truly restorative sleep. Nights of tossing and turning, waking up with aches and pains, or overheating. Well, today we're taking a look at a company dedicated to solving these sleep challenges. Let's take a look.
My role at Purple is the Chief Innovations Officer, so I'm in charge of all the technology and product development. Our mission statement's really simple, maybe a little audacious, but it's to deliver the greatest sleep ever invented. Purple innovation's really interesting in the mattress space. Historically, mattresses, with very few exceptions, don't have a lot of engineering and science in them. They typically have been the same sorts of layer cakes made of foam and springs for decades. So Purple Innovation's story is unique in that they've really applied a lot of material science, kinematics, ergonomics, to understand how the human body interacts with a sleep surface. And that resulted in this coming up with this really unique material that solves a lot of problems. Purple's technology origins go back more than 20 years. They came up with this material in a geometry, we call it the GelFlex Grid. The way it works is when you lay on it initially, any high pressure concentration areas like your shoulders or your hips will overcome what we call the buckling threshold of these columns, and they collapse. And when they collapse, they don't push back anymore. They just let you sink in. So that's where the pressure relief comes. It's like a safety valve. Everywhere else where your body weight is distributed, the columns gently flex like a spring and they lift you up and hold you up. So you're supported, your spine's aligned, but we've taken away all the pressure in your pressure point areas. So it's really like floating on air. What's beautiful about the GelFlex Grid, because it instantly adapts, it actually gently kind of helps you change positions. And it also helps isolate that motion, and we don't transfer much of that to the partners. You can think of these squares, right? And they're hollow, there's nothing. So really, you're sleeping on these thin walls of grid distributed all the way across, and the rest of it's all open airspace. So if you're sleeping on a traditional foam bed, or memory foam's really bad for this, you're sleeping on an insulator. And air can't move through it, and it can't conduct heat, so the heat just sits there and builds up, and eventually, your body gets too warm, you start to perspire, and you wake up. So the grid is 10 times more conductive than foam for heat. So when you're laying on it, it's literally able to pull this heat that you're generating away and store it. And then the air channels allow humid air to move out and away. The third thing that does for you when you sleep on it, your body, to initiate sleep, wants to cool down. It wants to lower your core temperature. So if you're sleeping on something that aids that, you fall asleep faster. So it's this amazing combination of we can help you get to sleep faster, and you'll have fewer disruptions, and you wake up with less aches and pains as a result. The mattress we've got upstairs, it's a Rejuvenate Ultimate, and we've added some really interesting technology. We wanted to provide maximum pressure relief depth, but provide that stable, substantial luxury feeling that you want. So we came up with these stacked layers. So what we've got inside that bed is a layer of 3-inch GelFlex Grid directly stacked on top of a layer of 2-inch GelFlex Grid. What this does, it's pretty interesting. The 3-inch grid is a little bit softer, buckles a little sooner than the 2-inch, so that if you rolled over on your side, this isn't 3 inches on anybody, right? So when you roll over on your side, you buckle that first layer, but you also you buckle that second layer, and you get another 2 inches of pressure relief depth in that bed. And so even on your side, you still get this amazing buoyant, floaty feeling where we've removed all these pressure points. There's a pride that comes with being a local Utah company and also manufacturing our products in the United States. Also, it helps us maintain control over that process. And so having it all local, self-contained, and being vertically integrated allows us to be really nimble. We do have a pretty significant e-com business. That's actually where the company started. They were digitally native that way. which is great, but we know from our customer segments, above a certain price point, you're gonna go try that bed out and make sure it's the right bed for you. We have 55 to 60-ish dedicated Purple showrooms. If you go to one of our showrooms, you'll get the benefit of talking to what we call a sleep genius. That sleep genius will assist you. They'll ask you questions about what your primary sleep challenges and issues are, and they'll really help you find the right mattress for you. And then you can find us at least 3,000 mattress retailers. When I came to Purple, I'd never slept on one, didn't know much about mattresses. And they said, oh, this bed's gonna change your life. And I was like, you're right, come on, it's a bed, whatever. But it did, literally, like within 2 weeks, I was sleeping better than I had in years. And the only thing I had changed was the mattress. You don't have to choose between a bed that's soft and comfortable and one that's got the right support. It does both.
Purple's GelFlex Grid is redefining sleep with perfect comfort, support, and cooling. Experience the best sleep of your life. To learn more about Purple innovation, visit purple.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv.
Anderson and Tatiana have been working with the Gardena team to find solutions to some of their biggest gardening and maintenance challenges.
So we've got the robotic mower installed out in the soccer field, keeping that area really well maintained. We also walked through our cutting products and lawn care products, just making sure that all the bushes and the lawn look really clean. And now I'd love to share with you some of our watering products, just to keep all the plants healthy and nourished.
So that means you have a solution for that mess of a hose I have?
I do, and it's actually right here to my side. This is our Gardena hose reel. This particular model comes in 50 feet or 66 feet lengths. We also have another model that can be mounted to the exterior of a house or a deck that goes all the way up to 115 feet.
Wow.
So that's perfect for covering any part of your yard that needs some additional watering.
How does that resist to the weather that we have in Florida?
Yeah, I know we've got that hot Florida sun right now. This is actually UV resistant.
Wow.
So it's gonna stand up year after year. It's not gonna deteriorate or anything just from being out in the sun. And it's actually backed by a 5-year warranty, so everything's gonna keep running year in and year out. And if you lived in a colder climate, the product is actually frost resistant as well, so you don't have to worry about things freezing if the temperature is gonna drop a little bit overnight.
Very interesting. This is the area that my sprinkler system doesn't reach. Do you have anything that could help me take care of this area?
Absolutely. Let's go ahead and grab the hose and head that way.
Sounds good.
So here we have our Gardena oscillating sprinkler. And thanks to its full adjustment capabilities, we can make sure that we're keeping water just on this area of the lawn where it needs it, and off your hedges and off your patio as well.
Let me guess, German technology.
Exactly. This product was made in Germany, along with several of our other sprinklers. It's backed by a 5-year warranty, and just like our hose box, it's UV and frost resistant.
Would this work with the well water?
It would, thanks to 2 systems. There's actually an integrated filter to keep any particles out of your water from entering the sprinkler. And also the nozzles where the water exits at the end of the sprinkler are rubber. So if you get a little bit of hard water buildup, all you need to do is drag your finger across and that'll flake right off. And I didn't even tell you the best part. Thanks to this original Gardena system water stop, the water's flowing through the hose right now. And as soon as I connect it through the sprinkler, we're gonna see things get going.
Wow, this is perfect. I believe I'm gonna need about 2 or 3 of those because I planted some new flowers for Tachi, and I will need something like this to be able to water the flowers.
Well, I have a great solution for you for the flowers, and we can actually just go ahead and grab this same hose and head over that way.
Perfect, let's do it.
So you had mentioned wanting to make sure that the flowers that you planted for Tatiana stay watered, and our Gardena 5-pattern nozzle is gonna be perfect for taking care of these plants.
Question, Adam, does this carry the same warranty as the other product?
Yes, so this nozzle also carries a 5-year warranty, and just like our other watering products, is made in Germany, UV resistant, frost resistant, and has a lot of those same other great features, like the nozzle that you can drag your finger across to clean it out for any type of hard water.
Perfect.
And thanks to our Gardena Quick Connect system, the water is flowing, so all we gotta do is click these things together and you can get to watering.
Sounds great. Man, I love this Quick Connect.
Yeah, we actually do sell the Quick Connect system as a standalone accessory in both plastic and in metal, so you can easily take the Quick Connect system and use it with any existing hoses that you might already have.
So my front hose that I have, I could use that system?
Exactly. This will screw onto your hose, this will screw into any other nozzle you may already have as well, and then you have the convenience of just snapping everything together.
That is perfect.
And you know, if you don't feel like standing out in the hot sun to water these flowers, we've got a smaller sprinkler that we can fully adjust, and it'll be perfect for this bed. And it's also UV resistant, so it's not gonna be a problem out in the sun.
Awesome.
Oh my, I love my new flowers. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm so thankful that I was able to come and get you guys set up with the mower, the lawn tools, the watering tools. Your yard's just gonna look beautiful, and you can do it all yourself.
I know, that's even better.
Thanks very much.
Thank you, Adam.
Are you looking to maintain and beautify your garden effortlessly so that you're spending more time enjoying it? Visit us.gardena.com and learn more about their versatile line of high-quality watering tools. The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
There are several common household items that can be equally as effective at removing carpet stains as some harsher, more expensive chemical treatments. Test a small, inconspicuous area of your carpet with any homemade stain remover before use to avoid damage. Here are two popular options. 1. When someone spills juice or red wine on your carpet, try using club soda, but be sure to act fast, as club soda works best on fresh stains. 2. For those times when you need a little more stain fighting power, add baking soda to dishwashing liquid, white vinegar, and warm water. Mix the ingredients in a spray bottle and you're ready to go.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert. Kids and faculty should thrive in the school environment, both educationally and physically. And thanks to a new innovative healthcare solution, they are. Meet Shannon Peterson. Shannon has spent the last 35 years of her life pursuing her passion as a teacher and administrator of early childhood education.
I've always had a love of children and families, but towards the end of my career, I found a new passion for high-quality relational education and care in early childhood settings, which sometimes you don't see. The Early Learning Coalition of Santa Rosa County is one of 30 coalitions in the state of Florida. Our main goal is to provide high-quality education for the children in our county. One of the ways that we do that is by providing subsidized childcare for low-income working families and children at risk. In addition to that, we hold the contracts for our voluntary pre-kindergarten programs, which is free pre-K for all 4-year-olds in the state of Florida. Additionally, we offer support to our child care providers through professional development, coaching, and training. We do developmental screenings with our children, child observations, classroom assessments, all in the hopes of providing quality child care to our county and our community.
The Early Learning Coalition is all about creating a safe and healthy space for children to thrive in, which is why they're meeting with Fletcher Williams from Innovative Health Solutions. Together with IHS, they're looking to integrate Serazone, a new groundbreaking indoor air quality solution, into their offices and throughout their early learning facilities.
Thank you so much for meeting with me today. Very excited to talk to you about our different solutions in indoor air quality. A little backstory on our company. Innovative Healthcare Solutions was started in 2016, and we found a love for ELCs and childcare providers. We realized the need for sanitization and indoor air quality in those sectors, so we focused on doing the research and finding proven products to bring to you guys.
Sounds good.
Talking about indoor air quality, it's the new conversation after 2020. We have to worry about what's in the air, and we have to be proactive in the mitigation of viruses and bacteria, things that can increase teacher call-outs. I know that's a big thing you guys are facing, and trying to get teachers in, we don't want them to be hired and then have to call out on that first year.
Absolutely. And we're not only focused on helping to provide high quality education, we really want to focus on safety and health.
You know, that's one of the big things, that you guys do great work, but we can't help the children if they're not in the classroom. So having to call out from viruses and illnesses, things that really spike in those classroom settings, is what we're actually really proud to offer our new product called the Cerazone. This is going to be an air purifying product that uses ozone gas. So to tell you a little bit about ozone gas, because not a lot of people know about it.
Ozone gas is going to be 3 oxygen atoms. Now it's called Earth's natural sanitizer because that 3rd oxygen atom does a great job of killing 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, and odors.
It's going to introduce the air into the unit, mix it with ozone gas, and the revolutionary thing is once it pushes it back out, it converts it all back into oxygen in 1.2 seconds.
Wow. Fletcher, let me ask you, so we're talking about air purification. What would be the difference between a typical HVAC system that had an air purifier attached to it versus the Cerazone? Why would I make the Cerazone choice instead of just adding an air purification system to our existing HVAC?
Right, there's so many products out there, especially after COVID, anybody who made anything is now making air purifiers. So what makes us different? One of the big things we found is continual air purification. So when we're talking about things that are offered, we want to make sure they're effective. So with the Cerazone, comparing to the HVAC, HVACs, with being one of the most expensive things in your building, aren't made to continually pull through very thick filters. And when we're talking about things such as COVID or norovirus, which is the flu, we're talking about tiny particulate that love to make it ride through a filter. You're also only running about 30 minutes, an hour, if that, to cool the building. So we're pushing air, even though it might be purified, into the room, and then we're just leaving it, right? Compared to our products, that's gonna be continually purifying.
24 hours a day?
24 hours a day. One of the big things I like to say is if I sold you a product that consumed an unbelievable amount of energy, I'd be selling you a bad product. That's why we're very proud of the invention that they've made, because it doesn't drive up energy costs and you're affecting the indoor air quality present with all those children.
Fletcher, I think that sounds amazing. Not only do I see the benefit of having it here in our office to combat germs and sickness, to help our own staff be here on a regular basis and breathing healthy air, what I really see the benefit could be for our childcare providers in their centers, in their environment, helping to provide safety and health for those children.
Absolutely. I'm so excited to continue talking to you about it today, and I'm very happy that you guys are taking this proactive step in indoor air quality and that we can partner with you in this adventure.
All right, let's go.
Visit ihcsolutionsusa.com to shop from a variety of products. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.